King Kush, make sure you underscore that shit. Put a crown up in this bitch. Ha. Okay. Damn, girl. You see, I'm real hopping this shit, girl. Chill out to all the realest niggas, girl. Cause then we make up again in this shit, girl. See, we breaking bake, we taking shit. Never hiding shit, but when we killing shit, we waking bake. Never hiding shit because we high as on the motherfuckers sitting on the clouds looking at the phone, niggas. Man, they look like ants now. Ho, killing everything, we won't hold it back. Letting everything go full of crap. Nigga, I've been singing a lot of shit, but nigga, y'all really wanna act like bitch. Looking at me, looking at me. I'm the king up in this shit. Underscore that shit, put a crown up on this bitch. I'm coming up next year. I ain't worrying about your head, it's cause we high though. We gon' chill back with your bitch. Damn, she down though. And damn, she got a fat ass, twerking ass hoe. And then we killing in this shit. We fuck the good so. Damn, she out the door. We ain't worrying about that girl. See, we don't trust these hoes. We don't never stop. It said we love them. Drop, man, they drop that shit. Fuck them niggas, fuck that shit. There we hanging with my niggas, troll this shit. And if you're looking for the baddest bitch, the niggas who murdered that shit, looking for us, cause the niggas met up in this shit. We to go that squad deep, holler for my damn team, cause that motherfucker was the realest nigga I ever meet. Damn, we ain't worrying about the niggas, we just mad, man. And then we killing, we murdering every damn thing. And you're insidious, hideous, and you're psychotic, bitch. Hey, calm down, nigga, we ain't worrying about shit. Wake up, bake up in this shit. Wake and bake up in this shit. And when your head is looking for it, wake up, bake up in this shit. Me and my niggas all smoke weed up in this damn shit. Me and my niggas all go squat deep up in this damn shit. Wake up, be baking this bitch, and we killing everything. Rolling on that good wood. Matter of fact, pass it to your girl. Rolling on that damn wood. Roll it up, word. Then we splitting it up. Hitting the grid. All my niggas damn hood. Sitting on these clouds, and we looking straight down at you niggas. Then y'all look like ants now. Cause we wake up, bake up in this shit. Wake and bake up in this shit. Wake and bake up in this shit. Nigga, we just killing shit. Damn. 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 We wake up picking shit, girl. Me and my niggas though. Ha. We wake and bake, girl. Keep good.